OpenAI reveals new ChatGPT-5 details. Welcome back to the AI Report, your one-stop shop for all things artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving deep into a groundbreaking development from OpenAI that's pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. OpenAI has introduced a new classification system for tracking the progress of its AI models towards achieving artificial general intelligence, AGI. The latest model, referred to as reasoners, is expected to perform problem-solving tasks at a PhD level without access to external tools. This development marks a significant step in AI capabilities, with potential implications for various industries and applications. The current AI landscape is dominated by models like GPT-4 and GPT-3.5, which excel in conversational interactions and are already prevalent in various applications such as customer service and content creation. However, OpenAI's latest development, dubbed Reasoners, represents a significant leap forward. These Level 2 models aim to perform problem-solving tasks at a PhD level without relying on external tools, signifying a major advancement in AI capabilities. The implications of Reasoners are far-reaching, with the potential to transform fields like scientific research, engineering, and medicine. By enhancing AI's reliability and applicability, these models could lead to breakthroughs in areas requiring advanced problem-solving skills. As AI continues to evolve, the classification system outlines the following future levels. Where GPT-5 stands. At the Aspen Ideas Fest, Altman talked about where GPT-5 is right now. He said making this new AI model is a tough job and will take more time. We are hopeful now, but there's still a lot to do, Altman said. The task of making GPT-5 involves many hurdles, like tricky math, data problems, and the large size of the model. Altman's words show that GPT-5 is still in the early stages. He likened its progress to the launch of the first iPhone. Despite its bugs, the iPhone was a game-changer and won over users. In the same way, GPT-5 is expected to take a big step forward from GPT-4. Altman's goal for GPT-5 is to fix what GPT-4 lacks. He has called GPT-4 kind of bad and a bit of a letdown. One big area to fix is how well it reasons. GPT-4 makes simple mistakes that even a 6-year-old wouldn't make, which can be annoying for users who need the AI to be right. The upgrades in GPT-5 should be huge. Altman hopes the new model will show a big jump in how well it works, especially in areas where GPT-4 has stumbled. This includes better reasoning skills and fewer times when it goes off the rails with weird or wrong answers. What is AGI? Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, is a form of AI that can perform better than humans across every task. They have a broad, general understanding of the world and can do a degree of thinking and reasoning for themselves, allowing for real-world actions unsupervised. This degree of intelligence is thought to be required for general-purpose use cases such as true driverless vehicles, autonomous robots that can work in a range of environments without prompting, and AI models that can act as personal assistants and even colleagues. OpenAI hasn't confirmed these are genuine, but if true, and comments from Marathi and others suggest it might be, the next step after Reasoners is the creation of agents, AI models capable of performing a range of tasks across different domains without human input. Level 1, Chatbots. The first of the 5 levels is for chatbots, or AI with conversational language. This was achieved with GPT-3.5 in the first version of ChatGPT and was largely possible even before that, just not as effectively or with as much of a natural conversation. Compare having a conversation with Siri or Alexa to that of ChatGPT or Gemini, it is night and day, and this is because the latter is a conversational AI. Large natively multimodal models like GPT-4o, Gemini Pro 1.5 or Claude Sonnet 3.5 are at the top end of this level and are the first of the frontier-grade AIs. They are capable of complex, multi-threaded conversations, have memory, and can do some limited reasoning. Level 2, Reasoners. Level 2 AIs are the Reasoners. OpenAI says these are capable of human-level problem solving across a broad range of areas, not specific to one or two tasks. Many of the frontier models have human-level problem solving on specific tasks, but none have achieved that on a general, broad level without very specific prompting and data input. In the same way that GPT-3.5 was at the start of Level 1, the start of Level 2 could be achieved this year with the mid-tier models. OpenAI is expected to release GPT-4.5, or something along those lines, by the end of the year, and with it improvements in reasoning. Meanwhile, Anthropic is expected to launch Claude Opus 3.5 in the coming months. This is the big brother to the impressive Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and we're still waiting on Google's Gemini Ultra 1.5. This is the largest version of the Gemini model family. Level 3, Agents. Level 3 is when the AI models begin to develop the ability to create content or perform actions without human input, or at least at the general direction of humans. Sam Altman, OpenAI CEO, has previously hinted that GPT-5 might be an agent-based AI system. There are a number of companies building agentic systems, including Devon, the AI software engineer from Cognition, but these use existing models, clever prompting and set instructions rather than being something the AI can do natively on its own. Level 4, Innovators. Level 4 is where the AI becomes more innovative and capable of aiding in invention. This could be where AI adds to the sum of human knowledge rather than simply draws from what has already been created or shared. If you ask an AI to create a new language, without giving it specific words, it will give you a version of Esperanto today. In the future, it could build it from scratch. OpenAI has a new partnership with the Los Alamos National Laboratory to develop AI-based bioscience research. This is more immediate in the fact they want to create safe ways to use AI in a lab setting, but will also likely help formulate plans for when AI can invent its own creations. Level 5, Organizations. The final stage, and the point where AGI can be said to be reached, is when an AI model is capable of running an entire organization on its own without human input. To achieve this level of capability, it needs to have all the abilities and skills of the previous stages plus broad intelligence. To run an organization, it would need to be able to understand all the independent parts and how they work together. Altman has previously said we could achieve AGI this decade. If he's correct, then instead of voting for an octogenarian in 2028, we might be bowing down to Skynet. The future of AI with GPT-5. The boosts in GPT-5 could change many fields by giving smart solutions that were not possible before. In healthcare, for instance, AI with PhD-level smarts could help in finding diseases, giving treatment plans, and doing medical research with top skill. In learning, it could offer custom teaching, grading help, and coursework design, changing how we teach and learn. As AI tech grows, ethical points are key. OpenAI is set on making sure GPT-5's growth and use follow ethical rules and put user privacy and data safety first. This means clear talks about what the AI can and can't do, plus strong steps to stop misuse and make sure it follows laws and rules. The path to GPT-5 is one OpenAI does not walk alone. The firm works with schools, industry partners, and rulemakers to make sure AI tech growth matches what society needs and values. This teamwork sparks new ideas while tackling the risks and problems tied to advanced AI systems. Conclusion. The road to GPT-5 is a tough and big one, full of both challenges and chances. While the AI world waits for its launch, OpenAI keeps pushing the limits of what their current models can do. The launch of GPT-4o gives a look into the future of AI, offering better skills and paving the way for the next big step with GPT-5. As OpenAI works toward the GPT-5 launch, planned for late 2025 or early 2026, the firm's drive to push AI tech forward is clear. The gains in GPT-5 will not only boost the AI's performance but also widen its uses, making it a key tool in many fields. OpenAI's pledge to ethical AI growth and teamwork and new ideas makes sure these techs will be used wisely, making their good impact on society as big as possible. As we look to the future of AI, GPT-5 shines as a sign of what can be done when cutting-edge tech meets big dreams. Thanks for joining us on the AI Report. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of the ever-evolving world of AI. Until next time, stay curious.